name is Jim Collins. I raised 5 kids, kind of close together, and here's a picture of them. That's going up on the wall there. But anyway, they would go out in the snow and get their feet soaking wet. Sometimes snow got in their boots. Anyway, they'd come in crying. So I invented this device right here. It's a boot wrap. Now, it's made out of nickel wire and tubing, and it's easily assembled. And I manufactured 30,000 of these. Not myself. I found a company that did this for me. They manufactured it for me. So that's basically it. It holds 5 pairs of boots. You put it over the heat, and it dries out the boots. So that was my first invention. I got a full patent on it. And like I said, I made 30,000 of them. And I sold them to Jordan Marsh, Filene's, Spags, and W.T. Grant. W.T. Grant gave me an order that would, they had 200 stores. They wanted like 2 dozen in each store. It would have wiped me out. But I got a notice from them, they went bankrupt. Stop. So I had to stop. Well, then I didn't have any money to carry on, but I did sell, like I told you, the Jordan Marsh, Filene's, and Spags. So anyway, I've been following that, and because I'm an inventor, and nobody's come up with a real efficient clothes dryer, you know. So I invented this one here. Now this here, it'll dry 10 pairs of boots upside down, and it has a heat source, which is an ordinary hair dryer. So the idea is, if you have soaking wet clothing and it drips down, it does not go into the electricals of this heat source. The ones on the market do. If you put wet clothing, their heat source is right below, and the dripping can go right in there and be dangerous. So anyway, mine does not do that. So that's that. Now, this is capable of drying gloves, stockings, shirts, as well as a full ski suit, full pants. Nobody else on the market has anything that does what this does. So this will all be injection molded, and it's very easy to put together. And yes, to keep the heat in this contained where you want to dry the clothes. In the hospital, they have these privacy curtains. They're fire resistant. And I think that's the exact fabric that I want to use to make a an enclosure. I have a tailor that's going to do this, and with a zipper, so it'll be fully enclosed and keeping the heat right down to the floor, fully enclosed, and the zipper, you can unzip part of it to take out the ones that are dry and zip it back down to keep fully the heat is going to escape up, so it will thoroughly dry clothes very fast, especially if you don't have a dryer. So anyway, that's about it. I intend to I'm a mold maker. I can design and produce. I can design and build the mold, and I can mold these parts, everything. It takes to mold these parts, injection molding, I will need a 500-ton molding machine. So I'm in the market for such a machine. And this is I've been doing this all my life. So I know I'm capable of doing it, and I'm sure there's a market for it. So thank you for watching, and we'll see what happens.